I-40 collapse? That's crazy.
Oh yeah, blowing rock. It's devastating up there.
Not much unusual about I-40. I-40, the rock slides happen right regular, but not to the extent that I-40's actually washed away. It'll probably be years before they get that thing up going.
Yeah, that Pigeon River runs right along parallel to I-40 a long way up through there, and it floods up there because I think runs into it down through there. But that's always been a problem between rock slides and things.